What if the oils you use in your kitchen today were once considered industrial waste just 100 years ago? Could they be silently destroying your health? In the 1920s, vegetable oils made up 0% of the American diet. Today, these oils account for 7 to 8% of the calories consumed by the average American. But here's the truth: there's nothing vegetable about them. These vegetable oils are actually industrial seed oils that have undergone a highly chemical extraction process from grains, seeds, or beans. So why do we call them vegetable oils? Simple: marketing. Seed oil just doesn't sound healthy. In the early 1900s, Procter & Gamble discovered that cottonseed oil, once used in machines, could be chemically processed into Crisco, a cooking fat. This transformed a toxic waste into a food product. From there, oils like soybean, canola, and corn oils flooded the market, thanks to their low cost and strategic marketing. The process of making these oils is anything but natural. Seeds are heated, chemically treated with solvents like hexane, and then deodorized, producing trans fats and other harmful chemicals. So how did they become labeled as heart healthy? In the 1950s, a donation from Procter & Gamble helped push the American Heart Association's endorsement of these oils, despite mounting evidence showing their harmful effects. Over the last century, as the consumption of seed oils increased, so did the rates of heart disease, cancer, and obesity. 2 out of every 3 Americans are now overweight, and half of those are clinically obese. But here's the good news: you can make a change. By eliminating these oils and replacing them with traditional fats like olive oil, butter, coconut oil, and animal fats, you'll see and feel a difference in just 2 weeks. These fats have been consumed by humans for millennia and help reduce inflammation instead of causing it. Want to transform your health? Start by eliminating seed oils from your diet. The change will be profound, and your body will thank you.